Welcome to Canada.
Day one in a new country, a new home, new friends. 10 Somali siblings, all orphans, just sorting out the basics. God thank you, says 15-year-old Ayan. We're just happy we feel safer here. The children arrived in Winnipeg last night, reunited with their eldest brother, Fadi, who 16 months ago came to Canada in a dangerous bid to save his siblings.
I told him that maybe I didn't see you again.
All were born in Saudi Arabia to Somali parents who died leaving the siblings orphaned without citizenship, facing deportation to Somalia where family members were being killed. Just 16, Fadi fled.
They are not safe there. And anytime they are deported, go to Somalia. And if they go there, they will be killed, of course.
On a false passport, making his way to the United States, going from California to Minneapolis, then to the Canadian border, walking the final 110 kilometers to Winnipeg, where he claimed asylum.
It's quite remarkable. This boy actually is a hero.
A local ministry dedicated to refugees helped him get his family fast-tracked with a private sponsorship. It now has custody of the children.
We just sort of take it one day at a time.
They're all still minors without parents. One has a child herself. After months of separation and struggle, starting over in a new country together. Cameron McIntosh, CBC News, Winnipeg.